To follow a line, a robot first needs to see it. In our case, as with many other robots, we use an optical sensor that can sense light or color. The most important thing a line should have is its contrast with the surrounding. A white line over a white floor would be impossible to see, but a dark line over a bright surface, that is much easier. Meet the optical light sensor. Also known as color sensor or light sensor, the optical sensor, in a nutshell, works this way. It emits a beam of light, which is then reflected back from a nearby surface. The reflection is received again by the sensor. The brighter the color, the more light is reflected. The brighter the color of the surface, I mean. By emitting red, green, and blue light, also known as RGB, the sensor can also sense how much red, how much green, and how much blue is in that reflection and tell us what color it makes. So the optical sensor can tell us the brightness of the color of the surface below it. Questions so far? Okay, so let's move on. Let's go deeper into our Pop the Balloon challenge. Okay, I do see a question that I would like to answer. What if the surface is very reflective? Well, the idea is that the higher the reflection, the more light will go into the surface, to the sensor. But we have to remember not each surface acts the same. This means that light sensors will take different readings when mounted over different surfaces. And this is a case by case. When we go into the line following challenge, we will see it closer. So let's move on.